Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel Scoop Buddy. Today, we're going to discuss the exciting world of engineering in India. Whether you are a high school student dreaming of building robots or a curious mind wanting to know where the brightest engineers are trained, this video is for you. We'll be counting top 10 best engineering colleges in India, based on the latest 2024 rankings. So, grab a pen and paper, because these colleges are worth remembering. Now, before we jump into the list, it's important to understand how these colleges are ranked. These rankings consider factors like faculty quality, research facilities, student placements, and the overall learning experience. It's like giving each college a scorecard based on how well they prepare future engineers. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the top 10 engineering colleges in India for 2024. 10. Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, IIT KGP. This prestigious institute is known for its rigorous academics and cutting-edge research, especially in areas like aerospace engineering and robotics. The median salary stood at 17.8 lakh per annum in 2022-23 and 16 LPA in 2021-22. 9. National Institute of Technology, Trichy, NIT Trichy. NIT Trichy is a top choice for students seeking a well-rounded engineering education. They offer a variety of specializations and have a strong focus on practical learning. National Institute of Technology Trichy also have a nice placement records. 8. Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, IIT Roorkee. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, IIT Roorkee boasts a beautiful campus and a legacy of excellence in engineering education, particularly in civil engineering and earthquake engineering. IIT Roorkee has a good placement record with 25.80 lakh per annum being the highest and 16.80 being the average. 7. Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, IIT Guwahati. This relatively young IIT has quickly risen to prominence, focusing on innovation and entrepreneurship in engineering fields like biotechnology and materials science. Students can get placement from giant companies like Google, Microsoft, Bajaj etc. 6. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi. Located in the heart of India's capital city, IIT Delhi offers a vibrant learning environment and attracts some of the brightest minds in engineering, with a strong emphasis on computer science and electrical engineering. IIT Delhi had around 60% to 66% placement in 2023 and 2022 respectively. 5. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, IIT Bombay. This prestigious institute is a leader in research and development, churning out top engineers who contribute significantly to various sectors like chemical engineering and mechanical engineering. IIT Bombay got a highest placement of 1 CPA in 2024, 3.4 CPA in 2023. 4. Jadavpur University, Kolkata. The oldest engineering college on this list, Jadavpur University offers a blend of tradition and innovation, with a strong focus on core engineering disciplines like civil engineering and mechanical engineering. It's also known for its affordable fees compared to the IITs. More than 620 students were placed during the Jadavpur University Placement 2021 with maximum salary of 58 LPA in an average of 10.2 LPA. 3. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur is renowned for its world-class faculty and research facilities. They specialize in areas like aerospace engineering and industrial engineering, attracting students who want to push the boundaries of engineering possibilities. IIT Kanpur have got offers from giant companies such as Reliance, Bajaj Auto, Tata Steel etc. 2. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras. Consistently ranked at the top, IIT Madras is a powerhouse of engineering education and research. They offer a vast range of specializations and are known for their strong alumni network. Samsung, Amazon, Qualcomm, Intel etc. were some of the top recruiters associated with IIT Madras. 1. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi, yes, there's a tie. IIT Delhi shares the top spot this year. Their diverse programs, excellent infrastructure, and focus on industry collaboration make them a dream destination for aspiring engineers. RBS, KPMG, Vedanta, Infosys, HCL, ICICI Bank, Kelton, TCS were the top recruiting companies that visit IIT Delhi for recruitment. There it is, the top 10 engineering colleges in India for 2024. Remember, this list is just a starting point. The best college for you will depend on your specific interests, learning style, and desired specialization. Do your research, explore these colleges further, and find the perfect fit to launch your engineering journey. If you have any questions or want to know more about specific colleges, leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. See you in the next video.